Don't ever save anything for a special occasion. Being alive is the special occasion. Change is risky, but nothing is as risky as staying stuck where you are. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. The hardest walk is walking alone, but it also makes you the strongest. When you finally let go of the past, something better comes along. The longer you live in the past, the less future you have to enjoy. Never allow a struggle to turn your sky into a ceiling. You must believe there's always a way. If it costs you your peace, is too expensive. Peace begins when expectation ends. Don't die with your music still in you. Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. Sometimes you have to accept the fact that certain things will never go back to how they used to be. When life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life that you have 1,000,000 reasons to smile and laugh. Stay strong. Life is so ironic. It takes sadness to know what happiness, noise to appreciate silence, and absence to value presence. Worry is a total waste of time. It doesn't change anything. All it does is steal your joy and keep you every busy doing nothing.